So now let us start with the coding part of toss. So before that, let us welcome the user to the game. We'll just welcome him and we'll collect few information like what's his name. Either he chooses odd or even, and let him choose his choice, any number between 1 to 10. So let us write the codes for it. And next we must ensure that the user is not going to fool our computer. So the choice must not be more than 10 or less than 0. So let us write an if else statement for that. And then now we want to know what is choice of AI. So we'll be using the random library to randomly choose any number between 1 to 10. So let us first create a variable called AI and write a code called random.random. So now I'm using PyCharm, so random is imported directly. If you're using any other text editor, you just have to write a one-line code called import random. And here, let's open the parenthesis and write 1, comma 10. This will help AI to choose between 1 to 10. Next, we want the user to know what is the choice of AI, so let us print it. We'll use the print function here, print AI. The input of AI is going to be AI, this whatever we have assigned in the variable. After that, the main part is to know whether the number is an even number or odd number. We know that even numbers are completely divisible by 2 and odd numbers are not. So let us write an if else statement here. So first, what if the user has chosen eve? So let us code for it. If toss dot upper is equals to even, then we'll follow a set of codes. So first, the condition is that it should be an even number. So if, let's open the parenthesis as we are going to have a calculation here. If me plus AI is divided by 2, but here we'll use the percentage operator so that we get a reminder is divided and the remind. If we divide it by 2 and the remainder is equals to 0, we'll say the user wins. So print you won the toss, choose to bat or ball. And after that, we'll take the input from user. So let's say toss input is equals to input either bat or ball. And let's wait for the input from user. If the toss input is bat, we'll call a function first batting. If it's ball, we'll call first balling. So let us write a if else statement here. Now we'll be creating two functions, first batting and first balling. So first let us create those functions. For time being, we'll just say you get to bat first and you're going to ball first, but we'll define that later. So let us define it. So if the toss input is bat, we'll call a function first batting, and if it's ball, then we'll call first balling. So let us write an elif statement. Toss input is equals to ball, we'll call first balling. Now what if the user tries to confuse the computer? If he is giving some random input, we'll just print invalid input. Now suppose if this statement is not true, we are getting an odd number, then we'll say that AI is winning the toss, right? So let us write else, and we'll just print a statement first that AI won the toss so that user knows it. It's the toss. After that, now the AI have to choose. So let's create a variable called AI toss is equals to random.choice. So again, we are using the random library, and here in choice we can open the parenthesis and make a list, so the system will choose anything from the list. So here it's going to be bat or ball. After that, now let us let's see if AI is choosing to bat, then user gets to ball first. So let's again write an if else statement. If AI toss is equals to bat, then we'll print AI is going to bat. So if this is the case, then we'll be calling the first bowling as user is going to ball first. Similarly, if AI is choosing to ball, we'll let the user know that AI is bowling. So let's write AI is going to ball first, and we'll call the function first batting. And now we are completed with the defining the event part. Now what if the choice is odd? If the user had opt odd. So it's similar to this code but with a very slight change. So let us just copy paste the code below and make this event to odd, and the if statement as elif because it's just continuation of this part. Now here the sum remainder is not going to be equal to 0, so make this equal to as not equal to using this operator. If this is the case, you'll win the toss and you can choose to bat or ball. So this rest part is going to be the same. As we have defined first batting and first bowling, just we are going to bat now and ball now. Let us just try the code. Let me run the file. So we have missed the bowlings here. Let us run now. It's asking for name. Let me give some random name. And it's asking for odd or even. So let me choose odd. Now I need to enter any number between 1 to 10. So let me say 4. So option of AI is 6. So it's an even number. So AI wins the toss. And the choice of AI is batting. So it's calling the first bowling option. So you're going to ball now. You can try this out with even also, you'll get different results. Continue the series to completely make the hand cricket game.